Okay, let's be real. You've already tried resetting your Apple TV remote, and surprise, it's still not working. Frustrating, right? Resetting isn't the magic fix for every remote problem. Sure, it works for issues like your volume or power button not working, but for everything else, you need the real solutions, and trust me, I've got them for you right here. Let's fix this once and for all. First up, the reset. It's great for minor glitches, like when your volume button decides to stop working or the remote feels a little sluggish. Here's how to do it. Hold the TV button and volume down button together for 5 seconds. Look for the message on your TV screen. You will see a remote connection lost. And then release the buttons and wait a few seconds. It'll take some time before it'll reconnect automatically, so be patient. But what if it's not? Don't throw it at the wall just yet because I've got more fixes. Now let's talk about something most people overlook: charging your remote. I know it sounds obvious, but listen, your Apple TV remote can't update its firmware unless it's charging. Here's what to do. Plug it in using a USB-C or lightning cable. Leave it charging for at least 30 minutes. Before charging, go to Setting, Remote and Devices, and click on Remote to check remote charging level. Why does this matter? If the firmware is outdated, your remote might glitch or even stop responding entirely. Charging ensures updates can happen and gives your remote the juice it needs to work smoothly. Still no luck? It's time to remove and resync the connection between your remote and Apple TV again for a fresh start. If the remote isn't working, use the Apple Remote app on your phone to resync it again. If the remote works briefly and stops, then try the reset method first before going for sync. Here's how. On your Apple TV, go to Settings, Remotes and Devices. Next, select Forget Remote. After forgetting, hold the back button and volume up button on the remote for 5 seconds to repair it. Make sure keep the remote close to the Apple TV and watch the magic happen. This is the fix for those stubborn pairing issues, or when your remote just won't connect properly or for connection lost frequently. If none of these work, it could be a hardware issue, and it's time to call in Apple support. If this helped you, smash that like button, hit subscribe for more tech fixes.